Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Tammy Thompson/TVMG. Today, I'm participating in an open invite collaboration called the Fat Tuesday Tablescape 2020. This collaboration is hosted by two lovely ladies. If it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. And me, myself, and DIYing it. These ladies asked us to create a Fat Tuesday tablescape, to have fun with it, and also to add a sweet or a dessert. Now, of course, you know me. I had a dessert, but I may have eaten it before I completed the table. I apologize, ladies. I'm just a little bit greedy. But I hope you enjoy my table. Make sure to like the video, share the video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit that bell and you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. And you guys, make sure you head on over to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It, and Me, Myself, and DIYing It. Make sure you head over to these ladies' YouTube channels, subscribe, and like their videos. Also, hit the hashtag included in my description and see all the other lovely participants in this challenge. Until next time, you guys. Bye.